So you're in the market for a video doorbell. Maybe you're upgrading your home security, maybe your old one gave up, or maybe you're finally ditching that ding-dong relic from the 90s. Either way, the big question hits you. Should you go wired or wireless? It sounds like a simple choice, until you start looking into voltage specs, battery life, Wi-Fi interference, and installation nightmares. But don't worry, we're cutting through the confusion today to help you decide. Wired or wireless? What's actually best for your setup, your home, and your peace of mind? Wired video doorbells connect to your existing doorbell wiring. If you already have a standard doorbell in place, it's basically just a matter of swapping the old unit for a smart one, assuming your wiring can provide the right voltage, which you can usually find in the device's tech specs. Some wired doorbells even use Ethernet cables PoE, which means one cable powers the doorbell and connects it to your network. Others use a DC adapter plugged into a nearby outlet. On the flip side, wireless, or battery-powered, video doorbells don't need any of that. They run on rechargeable batteries and connect to your Wi-Fi. Setup is usually super quick, and you can place them pretty much anywhere, so if you're renting or just don't want to deal with wires, that wireless setup is definitely appealing. If your home already has a doorbell, installing a wired video doorbell isn't that hard. You just remove the old one, hook up the wires, and mount the new unit. Done. You might have to deal with voltage stuff, especially if you're upgrading to a smart model, but it's manageable. But if your house doesn't already have wiring, yeah, now you're looking at hiring an electrician, drilling, patching, the whole deal. And that's extra time, effort, and money. Wireless doorbells, though, piece of cake. Drill a couple of holes, mount the unit, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're done. No wires, no mess, no need to hire anyone. It's one of the reasons why renters love them. You can install it yourself and take it with you when you move. This is the biggest difference, and it affects everything else. Wired doorbells get their power straight from your home, so once they're set up, you don't need to think about charging. They're low maintenance, super reliable, and they'll just keep working, unless your power goes out, of course. But with wireless doorbells, you're depending on a battery. Now, some models have built-in batteries, which means you'll need to remove the whole unit to recharge. Others, like Ring's Battery Doorbell Plus, use removable batteries. So you can just swap in a fresh one and keep things running. Interestingly, a lot of wireless models can be hardwired too. So if you want the easy install of wireless but hate charging things, that hybrid setup might be perfect for you. It might not be a deal-breaker for most people, but design plays a role, especially when something's mounted front and center on your house. Wired video doorbells are usually slimmer and more compact. Since they don't have to fit a battery inside, they can be designed to sit flush against the wall and stay low profile. If you want something that blends in and doesn't scream tech gadget, this could be your style. Wireless models tend to be a bit bulkier, not massive, but definitely noticeable. They've got to make room for that battery after all. So if aesthetics are important to you, or if you've only got a small spot to mount the thing, keep that in mind. Here's where things start getting real. Wired doorbells are more reliable when it comes to connectivity. If you've got a PoE setup, you're getting power and internet in one cable. No drops, no interference, and no delays. Even the ones that use Wi-Fi tend to be more stable, because they're fixed in place and not dealing with battery issues. That said, wired doorbells do have a weakness: power outages. If the power's out, your wired doorbell is down. No ringing, no video, nothing. Unless it has a built-in battery backup, which is rare. On the flip side, wireless doorbells are vulnerable to both battery drain and internet outages. If your Wi-Fi is down, or if the battery dies, you're not getting alerts, and you're definitely not getting video. That said, tech's improving fast. Most modern wireless doorbells are solid performers, assuming your Wi-Fi setup is decent. This one's easy. Wired doorbells are fixed. Once you install it, that's where it stays. Want to move it to a better angle or a different door? Get ready to drill and rewire. Not the most flexible option. Wireless doorbells are way more forgiving. Mount it on the front door today, move it to the side gate tomorrow. Heck, take it with you if you move. That's a huge plus if your needs change or you're not living somewhere long-term. If you want all the bells and whistles, motion alerts, app notifications, cloud storage, smart home integration, wireless doorbells usually offer more. They're designed to be modern and connected, with all kinds of customization options. Change the chime, adjust the volume, link it to Alexa or Google Assistant, even set up motion zones that only alert you when something specific happens. Wired doorbells can have smart features too, especially the newer ones. But older models, they're pretty limited, usually just a basic ding-dong and not much else. You'll want to double-check what features are supported before buying. Wired doorbells offer more robust security because they aren't dependent on Wi-Fi. There's less chance of signal jamming or hacking. If you go the PoE route, you're getting even better performance and security since it doesn't rely on a wireless signal at all. Wireless doorbells are generally safe, but they're more vulnerable to interference. Wi-Fi congestion, thick walls, or even your microwave can cause hiccups. Plus, if someone really wanted to disable it, they could yank the battery out. If you want something super reliable, low maintenance, and you plan to stay in your home for a long time, a wired video doorbell is a great choice. You'll never have to worry about charging it, and you can just forget it's even there until someone rings it. But if you want something quick to install, easy to move, and loaded with smart features, a wireless doorbell might be exactly what you're looking for, especially if you're renting or just not ready to deal with wires and wall drilling. So take a moment. Think about your setup, your Wi-Fi, how much work you're willing to do, and whether you want something permanent or portable. Based on your living situation and priorities, which one are you leaning toward, wired or wireless? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.